Meanwhile, the Senate is ready to open its books for an extensive review by the Commission on Audit. Senate Accounts Committee Chairman Panfilo Lacson said the required documents have already been prepared for submission to the COA. More from Bianca Piedad.
The Senate receives today a letter of acceptance from the Commission on Audit to investigate the body's finances, prompting the senators to call a caucus and talk about the concurrent resolution number 10 of both houses of Congress.
Ito initiative ng House, nag-uusap kami ni Senate President tungkol dito. Initiative ng House kasi parang malaki yung problema nila doon sa resident auditor. So nakiusap sila kung pwedeng certification lamang.
The resolution dictates that all lawmakers may only present a certification as to how he augments or realigns his regular and additional MOOE or maintenance and other operating expenses. Senate Accounts Committee Chair Senator Panfilo Lacson meanwhile rebukes Senator Cayetano's proposal to have a parallel investigation with COA and a private auditing firm. Lacson says it is unconstitutional since it is only the COA that is mandated to perform reviews of finances of government institutions.
Nakasaad din na hindi sila sang-ayon doon sa suggestion na mayroong private auditing firm. Yun, sang-ayon naman ako dahil nga sino magbabayad doon sa private auditing firm? Maski hindi yung COA, ang Senado ba magpapayagan ng COA na magbayad sa isang private auditing firm?
It can be done, however, if Cayetano would fund the private audit or the firm would volunteer to do the job.
Ang sinasabi ng Constitution, malinaw na talagang COA lang at walang basihan sa batas. So yung Article 6, Section 20, yung kanyang kinodito, Section 20. The records and books of accounts of the Congress shall be preserved and be open to the public in accordance with law, and such books shall be audited by the Commission on Audit.
For now, it is still unclear if the proposed parallel audit would find its way through the plenary session.
So kung magpasa siya ng resolution, alam mo, maski yung resolution naman isang senador, at kung sino yung sponsor, subject ito sa interpellation subject din sa amendments, at pagbobotohan namin bilang isang body, kung ano yung mananaig, kung yung version ni Senator Alan, yung proponent, or yung mag-i-introduce ng amendment.
The Commission on Audit asked the senators to submit the necessary documents pertaining to the regular and additional maintenance and other operating expenses since 2007 and how these funds were spent. It would also require official receipts and would no longer accept certifications as proof of expenditures of which has been a tradition of both houses of Congress.
So we have to comply, even the House, we all have to comply. At saka talagang yan, dahil maski nung unang napag-usapan ito, yun ang opinion na nirender ng COA na walang justification under the law para payagan yung certification.
For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.